Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Patrick Partners along with Bob Icino. Bitcoin broke down below the rotation zone, stopping at the 50. That was our next stop. Now we got the first cross rotation zone. So that's now we're back into somewhat neutral mode. It could not hold the rotation zone. I did update the levels higher. If we cannot hold the 50, I'm going to be watching. I'm actually going to say if we can't hold the 50 in the 65, 62 area right in here, then I'll be watching for a return to 64.70. And then if we don't hold there, about 63.77 to the upside because of this extended correction. The new targets, we have a major cluster if we do rally again at 69.30 and then 70.25. Let's check in on that daily chart though. Daily, see what that's showing us. All right, we're right back to the first cross rotation zone. If this does not hold and the first cross rotation zone does not hold, that is not a very good sign for Bitcoin. Also, that would mean, forgot to point this out before, but this was a trigger double top with the first target 68.33. It's not, that's where you're ready to stop. It would not be stopped out yet. But if it cannot hold that, that's a pretty big negative because this was a strong double pattern, especially when it triggered the rotation zone was out of the way. Not negative yet. It would have to get down below about the 64.32 before it starts breaking down the pattern. That sort of reinforces this 69. We had 69.32, 69.52 to 69.32 would be the next target up. It already hit the first raise and the stop target, and then 70.71. So if we do rotate back up and catch on those are your next targets higher. Ethereum is triggering a double top pattern right now. This just squeaked in. I have the more aggressive targets on there because they form really nice clusters. Pausing at the 50 now. On a close below the 50, watch for 222 would be the first target. If we broke through that, then 216, and then we have another cluster down at 211 to 212. So those are areas you can watch for reversal patterns. It also looks like we'll get the first cross unless we have a really strong and sudden rally in Ethereum. Also going to update the targets to the upside, and we'll take a look at those on the daily chart with this extended correction. All right, so if we do not hold here, yeah, that's just retracing this whole move. We can easily retrace this and still turn back up and keep making higher lows and potentially higher highs. We'd be watching for, if we do exceed these most recent 254 highs, we'd be watching for 265, then 276. We have a temporary cluster there, but this 50 is going to keep declining back down. That's all we really have for you on Ethereum and Bitcoin, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.